10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next and change. 1 minute, sir has joined. Anna, you want to take over?
Please proceed, ma. Proceed with the practice session. Once you are done, we can. Okay.
Start. Okay. Happy morning.
Happy morning. Happy morning. Yes.
Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning. Happy morning.
Now we'll move on to the right and left brain activation. Take both your index fingers, join them like this. We are going to rotate the left finger inwards and the right finger, you are going to rotate it outwards. We are going to do it simultaneously. And when you are doing this, do the abdominal breathing. On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now take both your hands, fold your fingers into a fist, bring them closer like this. We are going to repeat the same exercise using our fist. On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We are done with the right and left brain activation. Now we'll move on to the bell and the Arati exercise. Take bell in one hand and Arati in the other hand. We are going to do it, rotate the hand as if we are taking the Arati. And when we are doing this, we are going to give self-appraisal to ourselves. So we are going to repeat the words. I'm the best and I'm the great when we are doing this exercise. On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next and change. Now change hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next and change. We'll move on to the next exercise, that is a brain gym breakfast. That is tapping on your head using the center of your palm. We are going to tap on our head. Activate our Brahmarandram issues. On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next and change. Change hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next and change. Now we'll do those on the head and tap on our belly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next and change. Change hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next and change. Thank you, friends. We are done with the practice session. Anna, Manina.
Thank you, Yamini. Thank you so much for the practice session. So, once again, happy morning, friends. Thank you for joining today's Brain Gym. So, let us start our Brain Gym with the morning prayer. Let's come to Namaskara Mudra. So, let me start the music. So, let's thank our gurus first. Brahma Vishnu Gurudevo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Let us thank all the living gods in our life. Matrudevo Bhava Pitrudevo Bhava Acharya Devo Bhava Atithi Devo Bhava Raitu Devo Bhava Sangha Samskarto Devo Bhava. Let us thank our Mother Nature for providing us pure water, pure air, yummy and delicious fruits and vegetables, and beautiful flowers to survive in this world. Let us thank our Mother India for allowing us to stay in this precious land. Let us pray for the peace in this world. Asato ma sargamaya Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya Mrityorma amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Once again, thank you all for joining today's Brain Gym. So let us start our Brain Gym with a whole body activation. So let's take our palm. So take our right thumb and index finger. Start pinching the edges of your fingers. While pinching, inhale, abdomen breathing. While releasing, exhale. Okay? So, on instruction, start. Phase 1, button press. Line 1, hook. Phase 2, button. Line 2, hook. Skip the thumb. Phase 3, button. Now the joints, hook. Now we are done with the finger therapy. It's time for the palm therapy. Take your palm, take your thumb, start applying the force using your thumb. So while pinching, so you need to feel the pain. So press all the edges of your palm. So these are all nothing but energy points or meridian points. End with the center point. So while pressing, inhale, while releasing, exhale. So whenever you feel an abnormal pain, so which means you have something issue related to the inner parts of your body. Inner parts are nothing like so lungs, heart, intestines, kidneys, liver, everything. Okay. So now we are done with the Sujok therapy. It's time for auricular therapy. Auricular therapy is for the ears. So it has 3 cycles. Cycle 1 is for the outer line. Cycle 2 is for the inner line. So middle line. And cycle 3 is inner one. Okay. So the outer line we are going to pinch it, feel the pain and pull it. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now it's time for middle line. So button press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now it's time for third cycle, inner layer, make a hook and on instruction start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now it's time for ear rotation. Take your thumb, place it behind your ear. So use your entire fist to press the ear. Press it, feel the pain and pull it. So let us rotate the ear clockwise and anti-clockwise. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now it's time for deep breathing. So take your fist to the shoulder level, open the thumb, close your ears using an ear cap. So using your middle fingers, close your eyes, upper fingers on the eyebrows, lower fingers connecting the nose, and on count, start inhale and exhale by making a B sound. Okay, so on count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now release your fingers. Take your thumb, place it on your third eye, exactly center of your forehead, in between your two eyes. Press it, feel the pain, and on count start rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Change your thumb, and count start rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now, slowly rub your palm. Nicely generate the heat. Feel the warmth. Make a cup shape using your palm. Place it on your eyes. Feel the warmth. Take a long breath with a high energy. Hold for a second and slowly release your breath and relax. Release your palm. Start blinking your eyes and look at your palm with a beautiful smile on your face and relax. Now it's time to stretch our eyes up, down, left and right. While stretching your eyes, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. So on instruction, start. Up, down, left, right, 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 up, down, left, right. Now it's time for Trataka, the most powerful exercise for the eyesight. So let's take our thumb, focus on the tip of your thumb. When I say 1, bring it closer to the edge of your nose. When I say 2, move it away. Okay, don't move your head. Only focus on the tip of your thumb, move your eyeballs accordingly. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now it's time to rotate our thumb clockwise and anti-clockwise. Focus only on the tip of your thumb. Don't move your head, move your eyeballs accordingly. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now connect both the thumbs together. So it's time to stretch your thumbs left and right. While stretching your thumbs, stretch your eyes accordingly and inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. So on count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now connect all your fingers. It's time for lazy 8 or sleeping 8. So like infinity. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now release your fingers, reverse, cross, connect, twist and down, twist and up. Bring it closer to your chest, below your chin. It's time for gratitude exercise. Let us thank everything and everyone who are making us happy. So while doing this exercise, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. So close your eyes. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now, slowly come to the Namaskara Mudra. Let's pray for the happiness in this world. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Samasta Sanmangalani Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So, once again, thank you all for joining today's Brain Gym. So, we are done with the part 1 of our Brain Gym. So, actually, yesterday I attended a guided meditation session actually. So, I have shared it already in our group also. So, in that session, actually, he was mentioning, he was a grandmaster. He was mentioning that one who is happy, both physically and mentally, he can become a master. He's nothing but a guru. So he has to be happy, not for the sake of others. It should be an inner happy, the peace and happy. Those who is a peacefully and happy with a complete awareness, with a complete mindfulness, he will become a master. He can spread the smiles. He can create happiness around them. So I totally connected towards our 5 a.m. club as well as our 7 p.m. reflection club, because that is what we wanted to achieve here also. We want to make each and every one of you as a masters of being a happy, leading the happy life. That is what I always used to say. Let us create a happily living place. This world is actually, that is what we call it as in our Vedas, Vasudhaika Kutumbam. So when the Vasudhaika Kutumbam will happen is, whenever we are happy with our family, we should feel the same happiness with everyone. So that is what a Vasudhaika Kutumbam means. So let us become a masters. So let us be happy. It's not for the sake of others, for the sake of ourselves, to improve ourselves. Let's become the masters. And if you want to become a grandmaster, it's not just daytime, but also during the night time, having a control over our mind. Because the people doesn't have a control on our mind during our night times. That is why we get nightmares or dreams. So one who can control their mind even during the night times, he will become a grandmaster. So these are the two things which I learned yesterday from the class, and I thought of sharing with you people. And that's one of the beautiful lessons. So with that inspiration, thank you all for joining today's brain gym. So let's connect to the task. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks
sir.
for
Thank
sharing,
you.
ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you a lot.
Guruji,
Thank you so
Guruji,
much.
this is Venkatraman here.
Yeah.
We have a problem there in the task actually, like the line is not opening, Guruji.
Is it not opening, sir?
Yes, Guruji, it is not opening. It is not opening.
Okay.
There's a technical problem, I think. Like nobody is able to connect.
Okay. I think there might be having an alternative option, right?
No, nothing has worked out until now.
Okay.
We are all waiting there.
Just
It did not happen, Guruji.
I'm just checking the messages if they have sent anything. And just to keep engaged, I shared. Thank you. Shaman. I think Appa also left from the meeting. What happened to this task? Okay, seems there is an issue. We have 6 more minutes. I think a few left actually. So I think Satish sir and Vijaya Singham, she left, both left. So if anyone have any doubts, we can.
Manina, if anyone else is not having any doubt, I have few things to ask you.
Yes.
Yesterday or day before yesterday, you were mentioning that we have to face the north and sit, right? Is there any significance for that?
Yes. According to the magnetism, so you know the magnetism, right? Earth is
Yeah.
also a magnet. So the north is denoted as a positive energy, and south is denoted as a negative energy. So that is the reason why we call it as face towards north and sit it. So that is why even if you take the magnet also, the north pole and south pole, so one will be towards attractive force and another one will be repulsive force. So to attract the people, so to make ourselves more positive energy, so that is the reason why people used to say sit into the north face. So
But when we lie down, they usually say that you don't keep your head in the north. Right?
yes, exactly. It's facing towards north, not to sit in the north.
I'm looking towards north.
Exactly.
Okay. And one more thing is that, like when we are rotating around the belly, right? Is it that we have to rotate around the belly button or correcta and the toppul kitta mattu sutrada illa vaythula and the toppula sutti sutrada?
அந்த வயித்து ஃபுல்லாவே நம்ம பண்ணலாம். So there is actually a small story of Agastya Munishwara. So Agastya Munishwara is the saint, one who believes that he is actually a form of Lord Shiva. So he travels across the India. So while he traveling, there were two demons. So these are the two brothers. What they do is, so they stay in the forest. So one who passes that way, they will kill them and they will eat them. Okay, one will become like a goat. So the brother, the elder one, he will become a normal guy, and the younger one, he will become a goat. And those who passes in that forest, they will invite them for the lunch or a dinner, and they will prepare meals. So using that goat, and once the people eats that goat will come out of, they will burst the what is that belly, and they will come out. So then they will eat that guy. So once the Agastya Muni he went there, and they did the same process and all, and whenever he finish eating, he will say that guy name is a younger brother guy name is Vatapi. So the elder one will say Vatapi, come out. Then Agastya Muni, what he did is he just took his hand and he started rotating on his belly and saying Vatapi Jirnam, Vatapi Jirnam. So even in our tradition, it has a custom that during the childhood, the baby, so usually when the baby
Burping.
started drinking the milk and all, so they don't used to get digestion. So they used to get lot of vomitings. The only a lactic mother knows how it should be. So most of you people are aware of it. So during that time, they used to, rotate on the belly. So it's like, even in the Kerala also, the Marma Vaidyam, they used to rotate on the belly. So it should be like this. So like that, they used to call it as Vatapi Jirnam, Vatapi Jirnam. So that is what I think Usha ma'am is calling. So that is the reason why we took that concept to our 5 AM club also. That is what we used to do. So let me take the call. So just a minute.
Yeah, Shwarna.
Hello.
Madam, yesterday
Usha ma'am. Happy
I'll
morning,
call
ma'am.
you, ma'am. I'll call you.
ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
They couldn't reach
Yes.
Karthi and all, so they're saying that I think there might be any issue. So let us hope nothing happens. So okay, friends, I think we are done with the today's brain gym. So see you tomorrow. So make a great and
Thanks,
satisfied day.
Thanks
Thank
a
you.
lot, ma'am.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you.
Madam, can I call you now?